If your Inogen Rove 4 displays a changed sieve bed icon, there's no need to worry. Your concentrator is still operating normally. This alert is simply a reminder that the sieve column is approaching the end of its service life and should be replaced within the next 30 days. To order a replacement sieve column, contact our service department at 1-866-696-9558. We'll make sure your replacement arrives well before it's needed, helping ensure there's no interruption to your oxygen therapy. Replacing the sieve column is quick, easy, and just takes a few minutes. First, power off your concentrator and remove the battery. Allow the unit to sit undisturbed for approximately 15 minutes. This allows any internal pressure to dissipate, making the sieve column easier to remove. To remove the existing sieve column, insert the hex tool into the top of the column and turn it counterclockwise. As you turn the tool, you'll notice the column gradually rising out of the concentrator. Once it's fully disengaged, simply lift the column straight out. Your replacement sieve column will arrive with protective caps covering the connector ports. Leave these caps in place until you're ready to install the new column to help keep dirt and moisture away from the connections. When you're ready to install the replacement, remove and discard all 4 protective caps. To install the new sieve column, align the tabs on the top of the column with the connection ports inside the concentrator. Gently lower the column into place and use the hex tool to tighten it by turning clockwise. The column should fit easily into position. Never force it. Tighten the column until it's secure, but be careful not to over-tighten. Once the new column is installed, reinsert the battery. However, do not power on the concentrator just yet. First, you'll need to reset the sieve column life alert. To reset the alert, connect the concentrator to AC power. Once the unit's plugged in, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. After approximately 5 seconds, a sieve bed icon will appear on the display. Release the plus and minus buttons and press the alarm button marked with the bell symbol. A check mark will appear over the sieve bed icon, confirming that the reset was successful. Your concentrator is now ready to power on and use as normal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our service team is here to help. Call us at 1-866-696-9558.